What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. On this episode, we're going to be driving down to the EF hatch, and basically I'm going to be showing you what I've done to the car so far. Still waiting for a few more things, and I'm still ordering parts for the car as I'm still searching through the things that I like and don't like about the car. So yeah, so this is what we got going on so far. Got this mount welded on. Big shout out to my boy Robert for this. All the way around, you know what I mean? With this mount, you really don't need to keep this whole piece right here. There's two tabs right here that you could grind off, and then you can have this, I guess, to look like a more clean look. But we decided to leave everything and just box it up pretty good. So that's ready to go. And as of right now, I'm just gonna get more stuff, I guess, like bushings and stuff like that, tie rods. I'm waiting for the engine right now. It's at the machine shop. And after that, put the motor in, and then it should be good money. So yeah, we almost there.